Bet Constructor on 1xBet lets you create custom bets for the same match. It's perfect if you want more control. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Here's how to do it. Go to menu, other, scroll down, and then you have here Bet Constructor. Choose the match, for example a football game. Then here you can choose a team 1, and here team 2. Place a bet, and here you can add outcomes like team A to win, over 2.5 goals for example, and both teams to score. The system combines everything into one slip with boosted odds. It's a creative way to bet and gives you more flexibility than regular options. So my suggestion to you is go directly here to Bet Constructor and play, try to combine all different adaptability to you, and then you'll be able to place your bet. So if the video was useful for you, put like, subscribe, and see you soon.